Hello, my dear cutie pies. How do you do? I hope you all are doing great and stay home, stay safe. Okay? Yes. So, I'm your math teacher. I'm going to teach you the first lesson, that is first topic of this textbook, that is revision. Okay? So, in this topic, we are going to recall whatever you have studied in the previous class. Are you all ready for that? Yes, I hope you all are ready. So do you have this textbook with you, children? Do you have textbook? I hope you have. Okay, so in this textbook, the very first topic is revision. Okay, this is your revision part. What you have to do? This you have to work out yourself. I will tell you how to work out this. Okay, let me help you. Is that okay? Yes. So now look at the board. I have drawn some few figures for you. Let us see what and all that. Okay? Yes. Now, so you have already learnt about bigger and smaller. Yes, children? Did you all studied what you mean by the bigger and smaller, biggest and smallest, big and small? Yeah, yes, right? Yes. Can you see two trees here? Can you see the two trees? Yes. So in this you have to tell me which one is the biggest one, which one is the biggest one, or which one is the bigger one. Yes. So which one is the bigger one in this? Tree A or tree B? Which one is the bigger one, children? Tree A. Tree A is the bigger one, or tree A is the biggest one. Then which one is the smaller? Tree B is the smaller one. Tree B is the smaller one. Now we understood the difference between the biggest and smallest? Yes. So bigger means what? Big in size, which is big in size, that is known as bigger. And small means which is small in size, that is known as smallest or smallest. Okay, so in your textbook you have some work. Open the page number 5. Can you see some pictures here, children? Can you see these pictures? Yes, what you have to do? You have to put a tick to the bigger one and the smaller one. Okay, I will read it for you. See the first one, revision. Okay, below that they have given bigger and smaller. Heading is given bigger and smaller. What you have to do? You have to read this page. And what they have asked you to do, that you have to do, children. Okay, so see here, tick the smaller tree. So in this, what you have to do? You have to tick the smaller tree. So which tree is the smaller one? The first one or the second one? Second one is the smaller tree. Okay, so to this tree you have to put a tick mark. You know what you mean by tick mark? This is called tick mark. Okay, tick mark is that. So what you have to do? Which one is the smaller tree? To that you have to put a tick mark. Will you do this, children? Okay, shall we move on to the next one then? Ring the bigger hat. Hat. Okay, to that you have to put tick. To which one? Bigger one. Big means what? Big in size. So which one is the biggest one here? First one or second one? Can you see? Second one is the bigger one. So you have to put a tick mark to the second one. Okay, yes, and here same thing they have given. Cross out the bigger fish. Cross out means what you have to do? Cross out is nothing but this symbol. You have to place this symbol to the bigger fish here. Which one is the bigger fish? You know that, right? Yes, do it yourself. And below that also same activity is given. Biggest and smallest. You have to ring the biggest, or else you have to cross the smallest. What they have given, like that you have to follow, children. So will you do this page yourself? I hope you will do. Shall we move on to the next? Yes. Yes, so here I hope you understood this. This is the bigger one, this is the smaller one. If I ask you to put a tick mark to the big one, which one will you put the tick to the A tree or B tree? To A tree. A tree is the bigger one. So that you will put a tick mark to this. If I ask, cross out the smaller tree. Cross out the smaller tree. So which tree you will cross out? Tree B. Understood now? Yes. So shall we move on to the next topic? Top and bottom. What is the next topic is our? Top and bottom. What is that top and bottom? Can you tell me, children? Top means which is in up. Top means which is in upper position. That is called top. Bottom means which is in lower position. Okay, which is in lower position is called bottom. So shall we see? Can you see three pots here, children? Yes. So which pot is on up here? Means top. Pot A. Pot A is on the top. So which pot is on the top? Pot A. Okay, then which pot is on the bottom? Pot B, pot C. Okay, pot C. Then what about pot B? It is in middle. It is in middle. So pot A is on top, pot C is at the bottom. Understood now? What do you mean by the top and bottom? This is called top and this is in bottom. This is the small and this is the big. Understood, children? Yes. So same thing in your textbook. See the page number 6. There they have given some pictures. To that you have to work out. In first picture what they have asked you? Tick the book at the bottom. So which book is at the bottom? Means in down position that you have to tick. Second one, color the pot at the top in orange. Okay, which pot is at the top? To that you have to color it in orange. Not now. After the class you have to sit and do, children. Okay. Ring the monkey at the top. Which monkey is on the top? To that you have to put a circle or ring. And next one, tick the correct that boy at the top. Which boy is at the top? To that you have to put a tick mark, right mark. Okay? Yes. Shall we move on to the next topic? Nearer and further. Yes, what is that? Nearer and further means? Nearer means near to us, which is close to us. Further means which is far away. Okay? Yes, see here. Can you see the jug here, children? Yes, jug and two glasses are there. Now you have to tell me which glass is near to the jug or nearer to the jug. Which glass is nearer to the jug here? Glass A or glass B? Glass A is nearer to the jug. This is nearer to the jug or near to the jug. And what about glass B? It is further to the jug. It is further to the jug, means far away from the jug. Understood now what you mean by the near and what you mean by the far? Okay. So same thing in your textbook, page number 7. Here some nearer and further pictures are given. So you have to color it. Okay, see the first one. Color the carrot further from the rabbit in orange, which is far away from the rabbit. To that you have to give the orange color. Which carrot is far? Carrot A or carrot B? Check it out. Okay? Yes. Next. Ring the bird further from the tree. So which bird is far away from the tree? To that bird you have to put a ring. Okay, children? Next. Pick the fruit nearer to the basket. Here basket. Can you see the basket, children? Yes. Here two fruits are given. Pineapple and watermelon is there. So which one is nearer to the basket? To that you have to put a tick. Okay, children? Yes. Next, make a box around the cat nearer to the rat. So here two cats. Can you see the two cats, children? Which one is nearer to the rat? Means near to the rat. To that you have to make a box. You have to make a box. Next, take the glass nearer to the jug. Which glass is nearer to the jug? To that glass you have to put a tick. So will you do this yourself, children? I hope you will do it. Okay? Yes. So here also same thing. This glass A is nearer to the jug and glass B is further to the jug. This is further to the jug. Now we understood, children? Shall we move on to the next topic then? On and under. On and under. On means it is on the top. Under means down. Okay, on. See here, can you see the table, children? Can you see the table? Yes. Here box A and box B. Can you see these two boxes, children? Box A, box B. Now you have to tell me where the box A is. It is on the table or under the table? Box A is on the table. Box A is on the table. This is on the table. Then which box is under the table? Box B is under the table. Box B is under the table. Now you understood what is that on the table and under the table? Yes. So here you see page number 9. Here some activities are there. You have to work out yourself. Color the box under the table yellow. So here can you see the boxes? One is on the top, one is on the down position, means under the table. So which is the under the table? To that you have to give yellow color. You have to color it in yellow. Here you see second one. Color the ball on the chair red. So which ball is on the chair? To that you have to give red color. Ring the object that is on the chair. So which hat is on the chair? Here this pink hat or red and green hat. Which hat is on the chair? To that you have to put a ring or circle. And the last one, make a box around the object under the table. So you have to put a box which is under the table. Okay, which is under the table? Either the computer or the dustbin. Which is under the table? Can you make out, children? Yes. So this is nothing but on and under. Shall we move on to the last topic? Above and below. Above and below. So here you tell me two balloons. Can you see the two balloons here? Which is above? Which balloon is above here? Balloon A. Balloon A is above. Which balloon is below here? Balloon B. Balloon B is below here. Understood now what do you mean by above and below? Yes, which is up is called above, which is down is called below. Okay, children? Yes, here you see page number 10. Tick the plate that is above. So here you have to see in this picture in which picture plate is up or on the above. To that you have to put a tick. Next, tick the helicopter that is below. So which helicopter is below here? Red or green? You have to put a tick to that. Ring the fish that is above. Which fish is up? To that you have to put a circle or ring. Color the balloon that is below in yellow color. So which is below? Which is down here? To that you have to give a yellow color. I hope you understood, children. Okay? Yes. Open the page number 11. Okay, open the page number 11 in your textbook. So here they have given one heading, all relations in one. All relations in one. What they have given? Can you see one picture here? What and all you can find in this picture? Teddy bear, blocks, one jar. Inside the jar you can find the chocolates or toffees, cup, bag, and finally one table. So now what we have to do? Shall we see now what they have given? See here, look at the picture. Cross out the incorrect word in the sentences. So what you have to do, which is not suitable, to that you have to put a cross mark, which is not suitable or which is incorrect. Same thing I have written on the board. Few examples. I'll show you how to do this. Then rest all you can do yourself. Okay, children? Yes. So now here you see. Look at the picture, cross out the incorrect word in the sentences. Incorrect means which is not correct, which is not suitable. That we have to put wrong. So that we have to put wrong. Okay? Yes. So shall we see now? The cup is dash, smaller and bigger. Two options are given. Two words are given. Smaller, bigger than the jar. Can you see the cup? Cup is what? Cup is smaller than the jar, right? Cup is smaller than the jar. So which is suitable here? Smaller is suitable. Then which is not suitable? Bigger than the jar is not suitable. So we'll strike out this bigger. This bigger is not required. So now the cup is smaller than the jar. Understood? Okay, we'll move on to the next. The teddy bear is the nearest or farthest thing from the jar. Yes, where is the teddy bear? Teddy bear is here. Is it near to the jar or far to the jar? It is farthest to the jar. It is farthest to the jar. So which one is the correct word here? Farthest. Then which one is the incorrect word? Nearest. So we don't want nearest. Cross out the nearest. Understood? Next one. The blue block is at the top or bottom. Can you see the blue block here? Where that blue block is here? In the top or bottom? It is in top. It is in top. So which one we have to strike out? Bottom. We have to strike out bottom. We have to strike out bottom. Next, the red toffee is above or below. Can you see the two toffees here? Yellow and red. Yes, where that red is? Above or below? The red toffee is below. Below in the jar. Okay. So which one I have to strike out? I have to strike out above. Okay. Above is not required. So cross out above. Next, the bag is on or under the table. Where the bag is? It is on the table or under the table? It is under the table. So which one is not required here? On is not required. Okay? Yes, this is the way you have to do. So will you do this yourself, children? So in this 12 sentences are given. So I have showed you 5 examples. So reminding you how to do yourself. Look at the picture and find the relation. That is what you have to do here. Which is incorrect, just cross out that word. Okay, children, will you do? Okay, so this is also your homework. Yes. Next. Shall we see now? Page number 12. Similar and different. Similar and different. Take the picture which are similar to the pictures on the left. Can you see? This is the left side. Can you see the pictures here? Yes. Now what you have to do is, so here which picture is there? And here you have to search that picture. Here which picture is there, children? Here. Can you see the fish here? Yes. Now you have to search the fish here. Where is the fish here? Fish is here. What you have to do? To this fish you have to put a tick. You have to put a tick like this. This tick you have to put. That is means similar thing. Okay, cap is here. Tick the picture which are similar to the pictures on the left. Okay, that is what you have to do. Cap is here. You have to see the cap. Where is the cap? Cap is here. Boy is here. Here you have to see the boy. Here chair. Here cake, and here pencil. So you have to search pencil here, cake here, chair here. So will you do this? Okay. So here cross out the odd one which is not related to the picture, which won't fall under the same category or same group. Okay. So that one you have to cross out. Means you have to do like this. Cross out means you have to do like this. Which pictures you have to see? See the first line. Here candle, cake, burger, and one more cake is there. Something like that. Okay. So these 3 are eatables. And this is candle is not a eatable. So which one you have to strike out here? Candle. Right? See the second one. Second one here it is given cabbage, brinjal, capsicum, ball. So which one is the odd out here? Ball, because these three are vegetables. This is not a vegetable. So you have to cross out this ball. Yes, here you see horse, scooter, car and motor bicycle. Yes. So here which one is not suitable? Horse. Horse is an animal. Other than this, three also vehicles. So three also vehicle. This is not a vehicle. So you have to cross out the horse. So will you do this page like this? I hope you will do it. Okay. Next. Here, what you have to do, your favorite part is this. What you have to do, take the two which are similar, color them green. So you have to see the picture here. In this picture, which two pictures are same? To that two pictures, you have to give green color. You have to color them in green. So here you see, caps are given. So in this 5 caps, which two caps are same? Which are same looking cap, to that you have to give green color. Here also balls are there, boxes are there. So can you do this yourself? Okay. Next, cross the one which is different and color it red. So here 5 pictures are given. Which one is different? To that you have to put a cross. You have to put a cross and you have to give red color. So see here first example, leaf is there. So in this leaf, one line is there, nothing is there. Here dots are there, here line, here line, here line. So which one is the odd one here? So this is the odd one, which is with the dots. To this you have to cross out and you have to give red color to this. So will you do this reminding yourself? I will hope you will do this. Next, collections. What do you mean collection? A group of objects having something common or group of similar things are known as collection. This is already known to you, right? This is nothing but collection. This is your learning activity. You have to learn this page. Okay, children? This all writing activity. This is now learning activity. You have to learn. Okay? What is the group of object? Group of object means what? Similar things. Group of similar things is known as group of collection, or it is known as collection. Okay? Yes. So here you see collection of toys. You can see all the toys here. Okay? Collection of vegetables. You can see different variety of vegetables. Collection of fruits. Again, different variety of only fruits. Balls, birds, mobile phones, cars and fast food. So these are called as collection of something similar objects. Okay. So till here page number 40 is your work. To work out this, I will give you 1 week time, children. Okay. That is enough? Yes. I hope you will do this within 1 week. So we'll see in next class. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye, children.